Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will be comparing two popular mesh Wi-Fi systems, Google Wi-Fi and TP-Link Deco Wi-Fi 6. We will evaluate these systems in different categories and help you make the best choice. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tech content. When it comes to coverage area, TP-Link Deco Wi-Fi 6 is the winner. It covers up to 5,800 square feet, while Google Wi-Fi covers up to only 4,500 square feet. The Deco system is ideal for larger homes or buildings with multiple floors. If you are budget conscious, Google Wi-Fi is the way to go. It costs only $48, while TP-Link Deco Wi-Fi 6 costs $159. Google Wi-Fi can be a great choice for smaller homes and apartments. Both systems can handle a large number of devices, but TP-Link Deco Wi-Fi 6 can connect up to 150 devices, while Google Wi-Fi is limited to 100. If you have a lot of smart home devices, Deco system can be a better choice for you. In terms of setup and management, both systems are user-friendly and easy to install. However, TP-Link Deco Wi-Fi 6 offers more advanced parental controls and works with Alexa for voice control. Google Wi-Fi offers a simple and straightforward app to manage your network. That wraps up our comparison between Google Wi-Fi and TP-Link Deco Wi-Fi 6. Both systems have their pros and cons, so it depends on what you're looking for. If price is a determining factor, Google Wi-Fi is a great choice. If you need better coverage area and device capacity, TP-Link Deco Wi-Fi 6 is the way to go. Let us know in the comments which one you would choose. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and comparisons.